Hello, my name is Noah Belkis, and I'm the CEO of Planet Materials. We are very grateful for your time and the opportunity to share our vision of a sustainable future through our process of recycling plants into carbon negative chemicals and materials. We wish to provide these for other manufacturers looking to join the circular economy. In the United States alone, there is over 400 million tons of organic waste that ends up in the landfills every year. And at the same time, the United States government and many other nations around the world are pledging to be at net zero emissions by 2050. We strongly believe that in order to achieve these goals, there requires a great deal of sustainable innovation from companies like us that can present viable alternatives to the traditional manufacturing processes we have become so accustomed to. Through our goal of recycling 1 million tons of waste each year, we will be able to eliminate over 2% of Washington State's annual carbon emissions. Over the last 4 years, we've been working hard to develop our bioreactor that recycles organic waste into raw organic materials that are building blocks for many of the products we see available on the market today. At scale, our process is able to produce raw cellulose fibers, lipids like linoleic acid, chemical compounds like tannins and other powerful antioxidants. Together, these products will help us support a variety of markets that desire to join the circular economy. To help fuel the growth of our bioreactor systems, we launched a line of consumer products via our brand Green Water Labs. And our pesticidal product is made from our recycled materials and is designed to help eliminate algae and moss in areas where it is not welcome. Typically in the United States, we see the use of bleach, copper, and chlorine to eliminate algae and moss. And while all three of those ingredients are highly toxic to the environment, our non-toxic solution is safe for humans, pets, and of course the environment. We plan to use the cash flow from our consumer products to help us scale alongside any external investment. We started selling our products in 2022 and generated $39,000 in revenue. Last year in 2023, we grew that to just under $400,000. This year in 2024, we project to generate around $1.4 million in revenue. And our plan is to scale that to $15 million by 2026 with the added revenue channel of distributing our raw materials recycled from organic waste. Our big goal is to successfully process 1 million tons of this organic waste in a year, and we plan to achieve this by 2030. To help, we've laid out a 3-phase plan that ensures we hit all the necessary milestones that will allow us to hit our big picture goal. We are currently wrapping up the first phase of our plan as we have successfully proven our process on the lab scale, and we must now look to start building a larger facility that has the capacity to recycle 1 million tons of waste each year. We will use this facility to increase our material output to further explore market opportunities and solidify the demand for our products. Once we can achieve our goal, we plan to license and replicate our processes around the country and globe to create a localized network of sustainable materials. Beyond that, we plan to work on developing our own proprietary building materials that are made entirely from the organic waste outputs of our recycling processes. These include bioplastics, biocements, and other films that can be used for packaging and molding. The total addressable market for our product categories is near $350 billion, and all of these markets are experiencing high demand for renewable alternatives to the traditional inputs. We believe the work we are doing here is critical to helping our global economies address the sustainable movements happening in our communities. It is now apparent that we must attempt to change some of the practices that we have become so accustomed to in our societies. And at Planet Materials, we are dedicated to exploring these solutions. We currently have a team of over 15 people, led by myself and my wonderful co-founder, Greg Jensen. Our team includes engineers, scientists, marketers, and operations managers that are all passionate about building a better world for our future generations. It is important that we continue to grow our team and surround ourselves with investors and mentors who are both passionate and knowledgeable about large-scale manufacturing and the potential to make it more sustainable in all operational aspects. We are getting ready to open up our pre-seed funding round of $1 million at a $13.5 million post-money valuation. This capital will be used to build out our executive team, solidify our IP strategy, and further develop our bioreactor technology. We plan to raise a seed round of $5 to $10 million at the end of 2025 to begin the development of our own waste processing facility. I am incredibly grateful for the opportunity here today to share our vision with you, and we are excited at the prospect of getting to work with a nation who so greatly values the idea of collaboration and sustainable solutions. We would love to further explore conversations around investment and manufacturing partnerships. If you are interested in our materials, we would love to tell you more and learn how we can best assist you in your manufacturing needs. Thank you for your time and attention.